Hello, yes, 'tis I. Just got back from the Rotterdam Log Whacker's Arms. Yeah, been here all day. Sort of Quentin the Log Whacker, actually, we call him at Eton, yes, for obvious reasons, yes. A few other chaps there. Had a long chat with Wing the barman. Yes, he said he's off to Peking next week for a Peking duck. Yes, he's rather partial to that, apparently. Anyway, slurpity and red stuff, methinks. Then I'll show you another talent of Lord Buttocks. Yes, rather nice, rather partial to it. Tasty, tasty. Now, if you've seen much evidence of Lord Buttocks, aplomb at the joke game, yes. But more than that, yes, I have a more sophisticated side. Operatics, yes. Yes, I'm a trained operatist. And I should like to regale you with a song. It's a well-known song from, I think it's Les Mis, and it's Bring Him Home. So here goes. Hope you enjoy. Got to compose oneself. God on high, hear my prayer in my need. You have always been there. He is young, is afraid. Let him rest and blessed. Bring him home, bring him home, bring him home. Is like the sun I might have known if God had granted me a son. The summer's day, one by one, how soon they fly, on and on, and I am old, and will be gone. Yes, rather good answer, yes. If you'd like to see me sing another song, just ask. I can sing many a song, many a style, many a genre. Just let me know, slappy slappy. Bye.